Hello, it's Daryl from Daryl's Homework. Got another job that I'm working on at the moment. I'm installing a new hot water system, and I've done up a couple of concrete slabs, and what I want to do is move this tap and the hoses over to here because I'm going to put the washing machine here. I had originally had my hose reel here, which was an old tyre rim, so I want to shift that over to there, so that just uses up that area and that keeps that area clear for the washing machine. So what I'm doing in the meantime, because I've taken that hose reel off, I now got the hose lying on the floor all the time, which has been a real drag, so I kind of trip over it. So I come up with this new idea. It requires one of them, just a long screw or maybe even a long piece of rod, steel rod, and I've just placed that back into that hole where the original screw was. Found this bucket or pot plant, and it's got to have the holes in it, and then I just slot that into there. Oh, I'm just going to shove this up here. And from there, I've got a little bit of tape on it. And then I'm just using a little bit of builder's tape, so that just slots in there, keeps it from falling and moving. And from there, you just wind it on. So I just got another piece, just about out. This stuff's pretty old, probably 3 or 4 years old. There we go. There you go. That looks like solid enough. It's not a permanent solution, but I might just leave it like that. I'll wait and see. But it's a good temporary solution to get the hose off the ground, and then you can throw your rags in there. All right. Well, that's it for today. I'll leave it at that, and we'll be back again for another video. See ya.